Hey, this is Gen X JMP coming at you strong. To all the to all the Gen Zers out there, I'm gonna give y'all three telltale cues of what to look for when you've done angered a Gen Xer. Number one is this little ditty. Oh, you didn't know? You better call somebody. When you hear that, that means we're irritated. Number number two, if you hear this little ditty, this means we're mad, and that is it's all about the game and how you play it. If you hear that, be very concerned. And then if you hear a the glass breaking followed by heavy metal, run because we're gonna open a can of whoop ass on you. Gen X out.